guys, it's Shaylee's Secret Garden, and I'm Shaylee. Today we're going to be filming a butterfly that hatched on the 4th of July. There she is. She is an hour old. It's a boy, and her name is Firework.
His name.
Ah! I'm getting so confused here. So hi guys, this is Shaylee's Secret Garden, and today I'm going to show you a beautiful butterfly that hatched on the 4th of July. His name is Firework, and he is a boy. It's a swallowtail butterfly, and we knew it was going to hatch because his cocoon was turning like a black color, and now it's kind of clearish, sort of. And we know the next one's gonna hatch. We can show you the one that's gonna hatch soon. Or the one that you see him moving.
Yeah, but he won't hurt me. I don't know why I jumped. There's the chrysalis.
The camera's trying to focus. It's like all blurry. Sorry guys, it's blurry, but
it's okay.
You're watching.
It's clear because it's empty now. Let's see. Okay, that's where the little head was. Popped right out.
Please zoom in.
Came right out. Maybe.
There he is. Now let's take a closer look at that butterfly. Whoa, that's a real close look. Do you see her wings are like orange? And whoa, they're orange and black. And on the underside, like down, is blue. So you can see blue right about, like, sorry, blocking, because it's too close. Like after the yellow.
Here, you hold it. I'll show you. No, you just hold the camera. Okay. Okay, so here's the blue, and this part's actually orange. And then right up across where the wings are, it's all yellow. But when they open the wings at the back, they're all yellow. Maybe if we can get her to open her wings.
Can you say hi, Brody? Hey. Where are you? Say hi. Hi. This is my brother. In a close-up picture. Camera's on too close. The princess. Alright, we're getting off focus. It was about the butterfly. I got the princess. Ooh, I like how you
So we can go inside the cage. Where is it? I can't. Oh, we're too close.
I love it. I love it.
That's the other cocoon. We have one more in there that's supposed to be hatching.
I love it.
And then there's the butterfly. Get an up close view. The wings are folded, but you could see that the inside of them is yellow. And he is a male, and he has not tried to fly yet. Goes. You can see too, where is it? Okay. You can also see there's a little curl in the front, right here, by his face. That's his little proboscis, his little tongue. Yeah. Here, Shayla, you could do the rest.
And so here, I'm still in my pajamas.
I don't want everybody over your stupid bones. What do you want to say?
This is a butterfly.
Shayla's made some bows.
With a big butterfly on it.
Her little bow-tastic bows. It's very pretty. You want to show them all real quick?
Sure. Dun, 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 dun. Bow test.
Might be too close.
2 more.
Nice. Do you have a favorite?
This one.
Why is that one your favorite?
I like all those squiggles, and this looks like a leaf.
Mm-hmm.
It's kind of cute because that's like a rose, sort of. So that would be my favorite. I also like this one and the butterfly.
Guess you kind of like them all. All right.
So this is Shaylee's Secret Garden signing off. Still my pajamas, push bam. Goodbye.